Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Digital Classes by Dilshad. In this channel, we'll be discussing the SCRT syllabus given by the government of Telangana. Today, we'll be discussing an English lesson from class 3. So, just listen to the music once. Yes, the topic that we are discussing today is the talking train. Look at this picture. Look at it carefully. Now, I've zoomed it in full screen. So, name the things that you can see in the picture. What do you think are the people doing? How many people are there? Also, I'd like you to remember the time. The time is 10 to 2. We'll be discussing it later on. So, what are the things that we see in the picture? That is the railway station. This is the railway station, yes. There is a train here, and it's a platform. There is a clock. People, including the passengers, these are the passengers. This is a shop, the shopkeeper. This is an entrance, and these are advertisements folded on the station. Now, what are the people doing? The people are waiting for a train to come. They want to go somewhere and they are waiting for train. How many people are there? There are many people. As you can see in the picture, there are many people. Look at this picture carefully and what do you think the people on the picture doing? So we have discussed earlier, they are waiting for train to come. As the train came nearer, they are getting ready to enter into the train. What do you think the woman on the TV is doing? The woman on the TV here, you can see the woman on the TV, she is reading the news. So say whether these statements are true or false. If these statements are true, then tick right near the statements. So Godavari Express was on time. Was it on time or not? The correct arrival time of the train was 9 p.m. When did the train arrive? We have seen in the last image that the train arrived. You can see here the train arrived 2 to 10 at 2 to 10. It was 2 to 10 when the train arrived, and it says the time is 9 p.m. You decide whether it is true or false. The train is coming from Vijayawada. So you decide from where the train was coming. So these are the questions that we already discussed. And now let's begin the story. Hello. Do you know who I am? I am Train. My name is Train Raja. I am your friend. So the train is talking to us, saying that its name is Rail Raja. And the train is our friend. I have no legs. I can move like you. I have many wheels. I run on rail. I have an engine as my face. So this is an engine. I have an engine or as my face. I have bogies as my tail. I am very long. I make the sound. I go to different places. What different places does the train goes? When you answer these questions, or we will see in what different places that the train goes. I go through forest and tunnel. I go over rivers and pass over the bridges. I move through the deserts, fields, and valleys. I go along mountains, ponds, and lakes. So these are the places where the train goes. The train goes everywhere where there is a rail, as it runs on rail. Everyone can see me, the rich and the poor, the young and the old, the healthy and the unhealthy. They all are my friends. I take them to their places. Look, the guard is waving the green flag now. Why does the guard wave the green flag? As we know that the train, when the signal goes from red to green, the train moves. When the train moves, guard waves green flag. I'm ready to leave. Hurry up, get in. I'll take you wherever you want me to take. So when the guard waves the green flag, now the train is ready to leave. Now, who was the speaker? As we know, the speaker was Rail Raja. So you can see here the speaker was Rail Raja. What do the cars of a train look like? The cars of a train, they look like tiny creatures from the train. What places does Rail Raja passes through? Rail Raja passes through fields, to mountains, to plains, through ponds, to bridges, and from everywhere. Have you traveled to the train? Yes, I did travel. And what about you, kids? If yes, which places have you visited? Now, I visited the Hyderabad. Now, the opposite words. What is an opposite word? An opposite word is, if I say yes, then the opposite word for that will be no. The word unhealthy here is in the opposite of healthy. So from this story, we have to find out the opposite words. When applied un to a word, some un, that's un, is called un. When applied un to a word, some words, they become opposite. From this paragraph, let's see which words, when added un, will become opposite. Lakshmi was reading a storybook sitting in a train. It was very interesting. The story was about a wise man. Just then the old man came. He was not able to carry his luggage. He asked Lakshmi's father, "Can you please help me?" He helped the old man. The old man felt very happy. So these words interesting when you apply. So this word interesting, when you apply un at the beginning of the word, it will become uninteresting. Let's see. So here you can see Lakshmi. Lakshmi is planning to go to Delhi. So she is preparing her bag for journey because her journey is very long. Now we have to write the things what she will carry in her bag at her visit to Delhi. So, children, think, what is she carrying? See, look at this. This is a bottle. So she is carrying a water bottle. And here is the mirror. She is carrying a mirror too. Here's the dress. She is carrying a dress. And a book too to read in the train. This might be the storybook. And here is a soap. She is carrying a soap with her. We can see here toothpaste. It's already mentioned that she is carrying toothpaste. So we'll write dress here, water bottle here, we'll write soap here, and mirror here, and we will write book here. So these are the things that she is carrying to Delhi along with her inside this bag. So that's enough for today, and we will conclude the lesson tomorrow. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, like and share this video so that lot more kids like you can listen to our channels. Thank you.